Light is the most important thing to evaluate when picking a plant for your space.
There are 3 types of light: low light, medium light, bright light. Bright direct light means there's no barrier between the window and the plant. Aloes and pillias thrive here. Bright indirect light means the plant lives next to or below a south-facing window. Monsteras and rubber trees prefer this light. Medium light means you're placing your plant a few feet from the window, or in a window that gets some sun but not a ton. Ferns and calatheas do well in medium light. Low light means the plant will receive no direct sunlight. Not many plants dig this. ZZ plants or snake plants are your best bet.
Just like people, some plants are more high maintenance than others.
If you're down to baby your plant on the daily, build that air plant collection. If you want something more resilient that takes less TLC, try succulents or snake plants. If you have pets at home, the safest bet is to buy non-toxic plants, like bird's nest ferns, parlor palms, or peperomias.
Congratulations, you're now ready to be a plant parent.